Hello students, welcome to Showed Up Sir classes. So in this particular video I am solving this paper of the ISI admission test for MTech programs. This paper of 2022. So question number 13 says that a lie detector determines correctly whether a person is lying or telling the truth with probability 0.8 independently of whether the person is actually lying or not. Assume that the people tell the truth 90% of the times. So given that for a particular person that the lie detector says that the person is telling the truth, so what is the conditional probability that he is actually telling the truth? Okay, so from here we can take this. Suppose E1 is the event where the person is telling the truth, and E2 is the lie detector's result. So we have this probability of E1 90 by 100 and probability of E2 is given that 0.8, right? And we have to find that P of the conditional probability that actually saying the truth with respect to the lie detector result, that P of E1 E2. So it will be P of E1 intersection E2, it will be by probability of E2, right? So we can also write it in this form, that so P of E intersection E1 E2, so we can write this probability of the E2 E1 P of E1 by probability of E2, right? But here you can see that the lie detector result, okay, this lie detector's result is independent of the person's whether telling the truth or not, right? So from here we can see that this probability of E2, conditional probability of E2 or E1, it is nothing but probability of E2, right? So if we do these things over here, that if we put the, so this is probability of E2. So now what we do, we will just replace this value of P of E2, P of E1, and it will be P of E2. So P of E2 will cancel out, okay? So P of E2 will cancel out, and we have the probability of E1, which is nothing but 0.9. So our correct option in this for question number 13 is A, 0.9.